So basically, this is the place where you can get the complete information about this particular training program. I will take you through.
Okay.
Basically, if you go to our website, ajskilled.com, you can
Mm-hmm.
go here. And before that, you can also watch this video. This video will give you the idea of our training practices, methodology we follow for our
Mm-hmm.
students and everything. Okay. And
Okay.
if you go to this particular link, maybe if you have a understanding of Salesforce, you can skip this one. But suppose if you want to know more about Salesforce, maybe you can watch these two videos. This one is in Tamil and this one is in English. You can watch either of that and you can go through with this content. Suppose if you are good with the Salesforce knowledge, right? Then you can come to this section. This section will help you to understand what are the services we provide along with the training and practices. Basically, in AJ skill development, we provide all these services for lifetime. And if you look at the mentors, we are all 8+ years of experience in this industry, especially in Salesforce. Including myself, we have nearly 5 to 7 trainers or on board. We are all part-time trainers. We are not full-time trainers. Basically, we are working in a company for full-time. Okay, and we are doing this part-time activity. I mean, this training practices in part-time. And in AJ skill development, you will be learning the complete use cases, end-to-end projects for doing the hands-on practices. Because just learning the theory or just doing the steps, it is not going to be help you. Suppose if you are working in some other technology and want to switch your career to Salesforce, obviously you should have a strong hands-on practices. That is what even when you're applying for an interview, the interviewer also going to expect, right? So here in AJ skill development, if you come down, you see the list of topics we are going to take a training. For all these topics, you will get the real-time use cases from us. Maybe I can take you through that. Okay. You will be provided with nearly 19 GB of content. You once when you are joining the sessions, I mean for the training, you will be given access to these complete materials. Maybe if you go to that admin module itself, firstly you will be provided with videos for all the topics in this module. I'm just taking through only the admin module. Okay. Likewise, we have video materials for all the modules, and you will be first watching the video for the each and every topic. Maybe say for example, you will first watch this video and this video to understand the concepts and the steps. After that, you will be doing the use cases for case studies for each and every modules. I mean every topics like this. You will be provided with use cases. So what you will be doing, basically, you will be doing these use cases. Suppose while watching the video or while doing the use cases, if you have any doubt, right, you can check with us then and there in our community WhatsApp group. If you look at the group, we have nearly 200+ participants, and we are maintaining this group since last 2.5 years. We are doing this training and practices for last 3 years, and who are all taken training from us, they're all part of this group. Who are getting training from us, they're also part of this group. Basically, you will be enrolling with AJ Skill Development as a SFDC community member. We will be providing you lifetime membership for Salesforce training and practices. And this membership is valid for lifetime. For your lifetime, you can attend our live sessions, training. You can get guidance from us for all the use cases, projects, certifications, and interview guidance. So you can post your questions here, then and there, and you can get it reviewed from us for sure. Suppose after posted in this website and you still got your doubt is not clarified. I mean, after you posted in this WhatsApp group, still you have a doubt. You want to check with us in live. You can join our Q&A session, question and answer session that happens weekly 5 days, including weekends, Saturday, Sunday, and twice a day, morning and evening. Okay. So in this session, even today's session is also a Q&A session. People used to join, but unfortunately, one of the trainee who joined, he has a network issue. He is not able to showcase what he has done. So in this Q&A session, if they have any questions, they will join, they will share their screen, they will get a clarification. Suppose if they have completed the case studies and use cases, they will get it reviewed from us. We will check them and we'll see whether they have followed the best practices of Salesforce or not. We'll also check whether they have completed in the right way or not. Like, and we also provide the review and comments. This kind of question and answer session happens throughout the year. It is not like we are going to do this for 1 or 2 times or only for 2 months or 3 months for the trainees. All our trainees who are being part of our this particular WhatsApp group, just nothing but our community member, they can attend any sessions any day till their lifetime. Sorry. The subscription fee they are going to pay is a one-time lifetime subscription fee. For that fee, they will avail all the services we have mentioned here. See, like we will provide projects, and also we are not going to take anything as a batch. We provide one-on-one guidance, and we provide one-on-one complete guidance for the people for their complete Salesforce career. If you see the curriculum, the curriculum is updated very recently, maybe 1 or 2 months back, and we also keep updated this curriculum. Salesforce is a thing which is keep on evolving in the market, and it is not something, it's a static one. They will introduce new features on every day, right? So basically what we will be doing, we consolidate all the updates and we will take that as a session. That is what we have mentioned here. We'll take that as a session and we'll take that as a live session. So likewise, we will keep on taking the sessions. So anytime, any day, you can join the session. Suppose if you missed out such sessions, the same session videos will be uploaded in the drive and you can access that for lifetime. Okay. So, and if you look at that, support for certification and interview preparation. Regarding interview preparation, yes, I will explain you. Certification, yes, we can help you with these certifications. If you look at our website, if you come down, we help you with all these 7 certifications. Below, you can see the list of people who got certified with our support. They're all very recent. If you look at that, September 27, very recently. Okay, and people also keep on clearing the certifications with our support. Even if you look at that, maybe we can go back and check the community to see the recently certified member. Yeah, this guy is very recently certified, September 27. So likewise, there are many, all the community members, almost 50-50 of people have certified in Salesforce, admin, developer, consultant, like that. Okay, we provide complete certification guidance for Salesforce. And you can see all these things here. And even if you want to take a look at that, you can very well check it in our website. Okay, this is someone who recently got job opportunity. Oh yeah, I will come to that interview part later. So regarding certification, yes, you will get a complete guidance from us, and we also provide you practice questions. Maybe I can take you through that. For certification preparation, we provide separate sessions, guidance, and everything. And for all the certification, we provide practice questions. All the practice questions are updated. So with that help, you can for sure, you can clear your certification. But coming back to other things, interview preparation. May I know how many years of experience you have in overall IT?
2.
Okay, good. So see, the curriculum, what you are seeing in this website, this is something, if somebody works in Salesforce for 7 to 8 years, what is the knowledge they will get? That level of knowledge you can get by doing all these topics in this website. But if you ask me, Ashok, can I do it in within 30 days, 40 days? No, never. But for 2 years, maybe you can complete at least 60% of this curriculum and you can appear for an interview. With the 60%, you can complete the certifications And with that knowledge, you can put it in your resume that I have 2 years of Salesforce experience, and you can appear for an interview. Because whatever you are going to learn and you are going to practice everything on the real-time basis. For example, if you look at after you completed the videos, use cases and all, we also provide full end-to-end projects for you to practice. All of them are real-time projects. I show you. Maybe real-time projects. Maybe let me take you through. Okay. So likewise, we will be provide you the complete project preparation documentation. With that document, you will start preparing the projects and you will start build the application on your own with our complete guidance, one-on-one guidance. Every day you can join, you can showcase your the way you are improving their projects. If you need any architects or design guidance, you will get from for all these projects. All these projects are something a real-time project. How I say it is a real time. See, if you take me, as I mentioned, I'm having 7+ years of experience. Similarly, we have other board members on AG skill development. We are all worked for different organization, 4 to 5 organization, worked for 50+ minor and major major projects in our IT career. So whatever the projects which we implemented in our past, we are going to give those projects and use cases for you to practice. You can work on this project, you can implement on your own, and you can very well put these projects in your resume and you can appear for an interview. You can very well complete at least 60% of this curriculum and put it in your resume and you can appear for an interview. We provide you complete guidance to prepare your LinkedIn Naukri profile, and we also help you to prepare your resume. We also help you to prepare your project explanation. We also help you with mock interviews. Once you learned all these things, practiced all these things, completed the project, we will conduct you mock interviews with our expert for 30 to 45 minutes. In that interview, we will tell you what are your plus, minus, what are the other areas you need to focus. We provide all these things for you regarding the certifications. Sorry, interview preparation. And also, if you attend any interview, you can very well come back and you can share those questions with us. We will guide you through what are the things you have to do and not to do. Okay. And these are the things we provide the interview support. Apart from that, we do have a good network of people. We can also help you to get the job opportunities outside, with our referrals also. Maybe I can showcase you. We have people who are all being part of our community. They are all now in a good position, kind of a lead or recruiter's position. They also help us with job openings. They provide preference for the people who got trained from our community, because those people are aware that how our members are getting trained from AG skill development. So they provide preference to us. For example, if you look at here, see, you have openings for freshers also, because Salesforce is such a beautiful platform. You can get good openings. Even you see we provide whatever the job openings we come across, we immediately put it in the group and we will be giving preference to our people. Because this particular institute, AG Skill Development, being in the industry for the last 2.5 years, and we have a good network of people. So we come across openings, we'll immediately put it in the group. Even today, someone has posted about the job openings. Maybe I can take, yeah, see. So that's how we can help you with the openings. And even if you want to take a look at the people who got recently placed, yeah, I can show you some of the people who got recently placed with our support recently. This candidate, yes, he's a very good candidate. He learned all these things and he completed the course within 3 months and now he got selected. Similarly, we have other people. Somebody else, who's that? I think here. He recently got a job opportunity and last Tuesday only. So Salesforce is such a platform where all that what you need is you need a knowledge and good hands-on practice. If you have both, you can apply straight away in the job portals, LinkedIn, and you can clear the interview. Because being in IT industry for 2 years, that is actually good advantage for you. Even though if you don't have a experience, you can still get an opportunity in Salesforce, because nowadays freshers also getting an opportunity. So for you being a experienced guy, what you need to do is you have to learn all these topics, and you have to do all these topics with hands-on practices, and you have to implement a project. Then you can appear for an interview and with our support, and you can clear the interview. And regarding the certification also, we help you with getting the vouchers for the certifications. Basically, if you want to do the certification, you have to pay $200 from your pocket for to apply for the certification examination. But we can help you and guide you to get $200 vouchers for free, or at least $100 vouchers for doing the certification, and you can clear the certification for sure. Okay. Apart from the certification, we also provide help with trial head points, super badges, and all those things. I hope I have pretty much covered what are the services we provide. And this Q&A session, right? This will happen weekly 5 days and for 2 hours. Anytime, any day you can join. Similarly, we also do upgraded live sessions. Apart from the videos, materials and all, we also take live sessions, and recording the live sessions also, you will get a notification in our group like this. Maybe I will take you the group. Okay. We will keep updated what are the sessions we are taking. You will get a notification in the group, and you can join the sessions anytime, any day. Because Salesforce is not a same thing all the year. They will keep updated the curriculum, and they will keep updated the techniques and everything. We also keep updated the curriculum, and we'll take that as a live session. And for Salesforce job openings, yes, you will be added into our WhatsApp group and Telegram group, and you can get unlimited job referrals. Even after course completion, there is no point called course completion, but still, even after you got a job placement in Salesforce, in your job, if you face any doubts or any queries, right, you can still post it in the query. You see, people are posting here. It is not something part of the case studies. They are posting the doubt they have in their regular job. They will get it clear here in this WhatsApp group. Similarly, you can join the Q&A session and you can get it clear. Okay. All right. I hope I pretty much I have covered everything about this training. Maybe what I would suggest you, please go to this website and maybe you visit, watch this video, go through the curriculum, what are the curriculum we cover. And also, if you want to take a look at the demo videos, like to understand the way we deliver the content, how we interact with the students, you can go and see the videos for each and every module we have here. For each and every module, we have uploaded the sample videos, both in Tamil and English. And also we have uploaded the session videos for Q&A. For more videos, you can visit our AJ Skill Development YouTube channel. Okay. You can go to this channel and you can get all these details here. We have uploaded many videos and we have taken classes. So if you go and watch the videos, you will come to know the competency of our trainers, the way we deliver the content and the quality we put forth. Okay. And apart from that, if you want to take a look at the feedback of the students, yes, we also updated the feedback of the students here. Not here. Maybe go down. Come down after the certifications. You can see our super badge champions. Super badge is something similar to the certifications. With our support, you can complete the super badges. You can see the feedbacks. We also have updated the people who are recently placed with our support. And also you can go and check our students review in this platform. We have a training center in Chennai, but currently due to this COVID situation, we have closed our center. Until this 2020 December, we are not going to open this center. Okay, so these are the things. Let me see if I missed anything regarding the training program. Okay, I think I have covered pretty much everything about the training. Do you have any other questions regarding the training?
No, sounds good.
Okay. Maybe you take a look up these things, Sabrish. When you get a chance, go and visit the website and also visit our YouTube channel and watch the videos. We have a couple of very beginners videos also available. Okay. So that you will get a complete idea about the course and the curriculum. And if and I hope you are part of our welcome to Salesforce group also. We'll keep you notified about
Yes.
the batches and timing. So whenever you want to enroll, right, you can share your email ID to us. So whatever we have mentioned in this website, all these things we will compose and we'll send you as a training agreement. Everything, whatever I have explained you and whatever you see in the website, everything in this training agreement, basically you have to go through that agreement, accept the terms, then you have to apply, make a payment in the accounts, and then you can apply. So that training agreement is valid for lifetime. With that agreement, you can avail all our services for free for lifetime. All these services in this website, it is for lifetime service, and you are going to pay only one time fees payment. Okay.
Mhm. So how much I need to pay?
Sorry. Hello. Sabrish, you there?
Yeah. Can you able to hear me? Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah.
Are you able to hear me?
One second. One second. Okay.